This is perfect example where you need to check your water heater every couple of years. This is the water heater that was installed in 2010. It's 2020, so it looks not bad right in the front, but if you turn around, look at this. We have a big rust coming from the bottom to the top, and this is starting to flake. So we've decided to replace this water heater, and you always have to check it every couple of years, drain it. Even 3 years ago in 2017 I replaced the anode rod inside to prolong the life of the water heater, but of course I didn't remove it, so I didn't know that it was rusted. I think at the time it was not even rusted. This water heater goes to garbage right now. I just want to check the condition of the anode rod, and I want to check why it was malfunctioning. Before you're gonna start checking your heating element, of course you need to drain the water heater. This one has been drained already because it's going to garbage. You need to have a special tool, and you need to use the wrench to... This actually was not too bad. So let's see how the heating element looks like, if this was the part of the problem. Well, the heating element is really not in bad shape. It's not broken, it's not split in half, so I would consider this to be still okay. I don't know what was causing so much rust, so I'm gonna go and remove the anode rod, and I'm gonna check the anode rod now. This is the location of the anode rod. It's hidden right here. It's the biggest hole on top of the water heater. And so let's see. Okay, and you also need to have a special tool to remove it. To remove anode rod, you need 1 1/16 socket. This is SAE. Okay, let's see. Okay, not too bad. And like I said, I replaced this anode rod in 2017, so it's been sitting in this water heater for the past 3 years. I don't expect it to be really bad. The last one that I replaced, yeah, it's almost in perfect shape. Wow. So as you can see, anode rod is perfect right here. Started to corrode a little bit on the top. You only replace it when you have exposed rod at about 6 inches on the top. So as you can see, 10-year water heater had to be replaced. I think we could have extended the life of it a little bit. You cannot see it, but when I was putting the light inside of this, I can see that the inside lining looks pretty good. So I don't know what was wrong with all the corrosion on the bottom. It's possibly that it's only on the outside shell, but inside might be good. Anyway, most people replace it every 10 years, so I just wanted to show you this particular one. You can see that this was very rusted, so I guess it was time. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.